handicrafts and handlooms. Basket weaving. Basket making is a craft work that involves with the use of wild date palm leaves, cane and bamboo which are found in forest. There has been depletion of forests due to their extensive exploitation for big industries. This affects the livelihoods of people and forces them to migrate from rural areas to urban areas for survival. People of Yerukula tribe are usually involved in basket making, live in different parts of Andhra Pradesh. Their women's traditional profession is fortune telling. People of this tribe speak a language of Yerukula Bhasha. Words from Telugu, Tamil and Kannada languages are used in this language. Handloom weavers in Pochampalli. Pochampalli is a small town in Nalgonda district in Andhra Pradesh. The weavers here produce unique sarees called Ikkad sarees, also referred to Bandhini or Pochampalli itself. Pochampalli sarees have a unique design and color. They are high quality silk sarees containing simple geometrical designs. To make silk sarees, raw materials like silk yarn, colors, thread is needed. Rearing of silkworm is taken by small farmers. Cotton is made into thread either in factories or as household craft. Weavers buy yarn and colors from the market. Tools. Weavers own the wooden loom, which is the main tool for weaving. For weavers, it is also important to know the design plan to make in the saree. These designs are marked on special sheets of papers with specific notations. Weavers follow them without making errors. Stages of weaving saree. There are different stages of making the saree. The first of this is preparing yarn. Silk yarn is wound on a bobbin. Yarns are marked with the design which help them to identify color to be dyed into which part of the yarn. Dyeing the yarn is a long process. Each color is separately dyed one after the other and used for weaving. Dyeing yarn. Different methods of dyeing are followed. For this, the yarn is soaked in a mixture of castor oil and alkaline earth, then dried. Again soaked, dipped in alizarin paste and finally boiled till it gets red shade. For the brown shades, iron fillings are added to the color. Dissolving iron fillings in vinegar produces black color. Weavers' problems. Handloom weavers are facing a serious problems. They face a stiff competition from power looms and mill-made cloth. The weavers are also not getting rate due to middlemen's involvement. Fashions in the cities change fast. To know about the designs in demand and to change their designs accordingly, they have to depend on the middlemen. Raw materials are produced in faraway centers. This gives the middleman an important position in the handloom industry and they get large share of the price paid by the buyers of the sarees. Cooperative societies. In order to overcome these problems, the weavers are encouraged to form cooperative societies. The cooperative societies are meant to help the weavers in buying raw materials of their cloth. But these societies are also not functioning well. Weavers are not given any role in decision regarding procurement of raw materials and sale of cloth materials. This has once again pushed the weavers into the clutches of the middlemen and traders. Distressed weaving families should be provided work from cooperative societies and saved from the master weavers.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.